Hi students, today I am discussing about the Karnataka CET chemistry paper code C. Here already student marked that is may or may not be correct answer. Now I am just stick with the red color pen that you have to observe. The first question, which of the following highlighted highest reactivity toward the SN1 reaction? Then we have to check the its stable carbohydrate. Benzyl carbohydrate is more stable after leaving this. B correct. Second one, in the reaction, this is given here alkane form, that is isobutane form. If isobutane form, that is a number of isomer exists with the isobutane is 2. C answer. Next, prolonged exposure of this chloroform human may cause a damage to liver. It due to the formation of the following compound, that is posagin, that is COCl2. Next 4. If I read it takes a long time, that's why direct I am answering here. Propane 2 vol, propane 1 vol, then heating with PCl5, heating with KOH and hydrogen, then first answer is correct. Next, which of the following give the major as a ether? First one will give as a ether, second one also PQ, PQ means C. Next, sixth, it form aldol condensation reaction, then it is A option is correct. Next 7, lowest boiling point is ether. Which of the following strongest base is OH minus? In some books may be given CH3, O minus may be, but it is strong acid compared with the water. Water gives the weak, strong acid gives weak base, weak acid gives strong base. Then it is correct according to their pK value. 9. According to this, answer will be D. 10th answer will be Hinsberg reagent, D. 11th answer, carbon does not undergo, that is trichloroacetaldehyde. Next 12, hypothyroidism is caused by the deficiency of thyroxine. C1C4 glycosylated linkage or bond is not found in, that is sucrose. 14. Which of the following polymer has the strongest intermolecular force? That is called pteryline. Polyamides and esters are having it. Mean polyesters having strong intermolecular force, like it is called fibers. Next 15. Which of the following vitamin is not stored in the adipose tissue? Generally water soluble, that is B complex and C vitamin. So here B is the ADE and K are fat soluble. So D answer B6. Next 16. It is food additive antioxidant, that is BHA. Its formula this is, and BHT, it is butylated hydroxyanisole. BHT also is, but that is called butylated hydroxytoluene. We have not that option, but that is B option. This is food preservative. This is artificial sweetener. Next 17. Which of the following is not related to drug enzyme? That is called antagonist. This is a drug is bind with the receptors, not bind to the enzyme. That's why D answer is correct. Next 18. Which of the following monomer can undergo condensation polymerization? Condensation polymer means these are the like this functional group required: isoprene formula, styrene formula, propane formula. These not having like this functional group, glycine formula. That's why it is undergo. D option is the correct one. Next 19. For this I given here graphs also, later we can check. Here electron and work function, electron and intensity, kinetic energy and nu, that is a frequency, electron and intensity, electron and frequency. So if you observe and read, then you will get the answer. So this is a C option is correct, because the ejected electron depends on the intensity of the light or brightness. C option is correct. Next 20. 0.4 gram of hydrogen and 7.1 gram of dichlorine to form hydrogen chloride. The volume of hydrogen chloride formed at 273 and 1 bar pressure is. Equation right, mass right here 0.4 7.1, so respectively. Molar mass 2 gram 71 respectively, and find the number of moles, find out. Then limiting reagent, this is excess reagent, and then with respect to this 2 moles and limiting in respect to 0.1 form 2 into 0.1 0.2. If you multiply 2 into 0.2 into 22.4, because 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter, then you multiply then 4.4 something, you will get the round off, then you will get the 4.5. Otherwise exact value you can take 22.7 in the textbook given, multiply you will get the 4.5 something. That is a D option correct. Next 21, the conjugate base. This is a conjugate base, acid is conjugate base, so this is a C option correct. 22, here also they are asking the mass percentage of methane. They are given volume percentage. Volume percentage nothing but number of moles, because volume directly represents number of moles. So 25% is 0.2, its molar mass 4. 75% is 0.75, its molar mass 16. Multiply 1 you will get, multiply 2 you will get. Percentage mean given, which means they are asking methane. Methane mass how much? 12. Total how much? 1 plus 12 13. Multiply you will get 92.3 something. That is the A option correct. 23, the last element of the P block element in sixth period, that is nothing but xenon. So I explain here, this is the sixth period. Sixth period means their electronic configuration generally ns to np6. So outermost orbital number is equal to period number. That's why this is the correct answer. Then C. Next, the formal charge on central atom, oxygen atom of ozone, like this will be there. This plus, this minus, plus, that's why plus 1 is the C option correct. Then this is 25. For this actual, this is the explanation part according to me, that is M into C, that means Cp or Cv, and ln T2 by T1. So when two different temperatures are given, then this is higher may be given in this here than the T2. Then according to this, these are inversely proportional. If it is increases, this should be decreases. Then according S1 should be least than the S2, that is a B option correct. If it is lower, then they are directly proportional. They are inversely proportional. High temperature, lower the, it means temperature increase. This is called cooling effect. Actually T2 is greater than the T1. T2 is greater than T1 means entropy increases. Entropy increases. If T1 is greater than the T2, entropy change is decreases. So now this is T1, this is a T2. So second temperature is less, entropy decrease with respect to T2. So that time answer is maybe with respect to this C will come. If you write like this, this is called Q by T, then that time you will get the D answer. Okay, you just once again check. It is depends upon the CET question which formula they will consider. This is a pending I am keeping here, not exactly correct. I am thinking this is the 26th. 26 is, this is sp hybridization, this is sp2 hybridization, this is sp3. Here this is called 50%. 50% only one option is there is A, the remaining not there, not right side, that should be left side. Next 27, then it is nothing but B2H6 form. This you just go through the textbook. I hope this is not, because this is O2 minus to peroxide form, this is O minus to oxide form, this is O3 minus 2, like this not possible. O2 minus 1, this superoxide, this is type of not possible. C option is correct. Next, the oxidation of nitrogen atom is here NH4 plus NO3 minus, here minus 3, here plus 5, minus 3 plus 5, D option. Next, 30. Which of the following is not a pair of functional isomer? Here, same number 1, 2 carbon, 1, 2 carbon, 2, 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, 5, yeah, 2 to 5. It is functional isomer. It is metamers. That's what this is not answer. This is metamer. These are having functional isomer, acid and esters, alcohol and ether, functional isomer. That's what B option is correct. Next, 31. In 31, if it is go electrophilic substitution reaction, that's what directly D answer. If it is there, that is called addition reaction in presence of H nu or UV radiation at 700 Kelvin temperature. That's why this is not. This is called gammaxine. This is hexachlorobenzene. That is D option is correct. Next, 32. Metal that produce H2 gas with both HCl and NaOH, that is zinc. Zinc will produce. Next, a metal exists in an oxide, then for this I will give the one shortcut. For that it is having the +3 and +2 form of any one metal. Then if you do, this is 200 by 96, its average oxidation state, that is X, nearly 2.08 something you will get. Then it is near to the 2, then 2.08, this will be the difference, then you will get nearly 8 point something. Then this is a B option is correct. Okay. Then 34. The student whatever done, that is the correct. Once again you can see in the video, it is taken 4 into 10 power minus 3 you will get, then it is 6 point, this is 29. This is correct option only, D. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? So generally this is not greenhouse gas. CFC is the meaning of greenhouse gases, these are. Next, 36. In 36, A value is depends on type of electrolyte, 1:1 or 1:2 or 2:1 or 2:2 type. Then is 1:1. This is a correct answer. Next, you can check there. Next, 37. In the 37, you can write this formula. I1 C1 is equal to I2 C2. Then check the answer. Then you will get the B is the correct answer. 38. In the 38, you will get the p-type semiconductor. What is the student given answer is? I think this is a correct one. Next, 39. According to this 39, Kc is equal to anti-log of E0 into N by 0.06. They only given this. So if you solve this, put the value, then you will get this is B answer. Because here E0 value you will get here. E0 is equal to E0 right side minus E0 left side. This is a generally anode act as a lower value and cathode act as a higher value. Then it is anode. Iodine is anode and this is cathode. Then this is right. Generally anode is left side, cathode is right side. So you can use this one. Lower value act as a oxidation and higher value act as a reduction. So according to that you will get the answer. This is next 40. According to this 40, you will get oxygen and fluorine. NaF, then it gives the Na plus and F minus. So this will be undergo reduction, this will undergo oxidation. So aqueous is there, meaning here water also is there and F minus also is there at anode. So according to electrode potential value, you will get here, I think this is oxygen you will get. Oxygen is the answer. Next 41. According to this, you will get nearly 26 is the answer. Formula for this, delta T is equal to I into Kb into W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1. So I, how to get this, alpha is equal to 1 minus I by 1 minus 1 by N. N value they given 2, dimer they given, alpha value given 0.8. I substitute here and these values are given, so you will get the answer nearly 26. Next, 42. Generally here they given 60% 50 minutes, and for 93.6% how much time it taken. 60% I will calculate. 100% means you can do the different way. So roughly I will calculate. I will consider this 50%. So T 50% having nearly 50 minutes. Okay. Generally we know that this is nearly 4 times, because 50% happened in 1 T half, 75 at 2 T half, 83 point something or 87 point something, that is a 3 T half, 93.4 T half. That's why this 93.6 nearly is 4 times of the T50. So roughly I am calculating here 4 into this is 50 given, so nearly 200. So 200 near answer which is there, that is C option is there. But actually you will get the 150 because it is it's 3 times. 3 into 50 you will get. If you calculate, then that is a C option. Next, this is 43. According to 43 is a, you know the formula, then 1 by 3 minus dB is equal to which one? 1 by 4 dC by dt. So it's good 3 by 4 which is there in that option, that is the correct one, because we want this one, then 3 will multiply here, so remaining whatever value, that is multiply. Next, 44. In the 44 is it? I hope this is a D answer. Next, this 45. The 45, that is C answer. Next, 46, that is all are negative, that is B. What is student answer? That is correct only. 47, that is A answer. 48, on the function of potassium ganthet, that is hydrophobic. It means non-wettability. Non-wettability, if you read the textbook, hydrophobic word not there. Non-wettability. Non-wettability means hydrophobic, but this is directly SOCl2. When you read the SO2 plus Cl2, that is called sulfur dioxide property in the P block element. You just check the textbook direct question. This is. Next, 50, copper extracted from this is auto reduction. Next, this is the first one, because pH3 do not undergo hybridization. So where hybridization is, that is not correct. So first option only correct. Next, incorrectly measured. Generally is not tetrahedral, this square planar. This is D option. 53, and this is BAS before, not BS. That's why A and B option not correct. Maybe C and D option, but not H2S. It is SO2. Then it is D. This is also property of SO2. This is called detection of SO2 reaction. Generally, it asks PUC number of times this question like this will be there. That is MnO4 minus plus H2O aqueous. Then you will get here SO4 minus 2 and Mn plus 2, and here H plus balances. Then you will get this reaction. This is a correct one. C option. Next, according to this number of unpaired electron, then it is paramagnetic. Then first option only correct. All are having one unpaired electron. Not D. Not D. Next, this reaction. Then if you read the textbook, K2Cr2O7, to get 1 mole of I, sorry, 3 moles of I2, it 1 mole required. Textbook diagram K2Cr2O7 preparation property, if you observe in the D block element, for 3 mole it is 1 mole required, but here 6 mole given, then automatically 2 moles required, then it is 2. Next, potassium pentachloride, that is in the textbook. Generally PCl5 exists in the form of PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. The textbook directly given. Then this is a C option. One is tetrahedral and this is octahedral type. Okay. Next, 57. Here it is bidentate. Bidentate into 3. Then it is 6 coordination number. It is monodentate. Ambidentate. This is not bidentate. It is ambidentate, but it can act monodentate. Then 4, 4 only. 6 and 4. There is C option correct. Then 58. Number of stereoism exhibited. It exists cis also and trans also. These are geometrical isomer, but this trans is not shows the stereoisomer not possible. Cis isomer mirror image. If it is D form, then L form will exist in the mirror image. That's why 2 and this 1, 3. Total 3 for the correct answer. Only student answer. Next 59. Here total oxidation state is 4 equally distributed. Here plus 2. Here also plus 2. So which is plus 2 plus 2 is that is the answer. Then automatically A and B answer not, because plus 4 0 and plus 4 whatever there, that is not correct. Tetraamine 2 tetrachloro chloridoplatinate, because negative part is positive part. Here platinate again, that is not correct. Then automatically C option is correct. 60 Cu2Cl2 and CuCl2 aqueous sodium. Then in textbook they given that very clearly in the D block element of halides of D block element, copper X2 is more stable than the copper 2X2. Here all CuX2 are stable except to Cui2, somewhat larger unstable. If this is it is plus 1 oxidation, this is plus 2 oxidation. Plus 1 oxidation generally undergo disproportionation reaction. Cu plus gives rise to Cu0 and Cu plus 2 disproportionation reaction. Generally its hydration enthalpy is greater in aqueous solution and it is more solvated, that's why more stable. Then CuCl is more stable than the Cu2Cl. That is B option student answer correct. Thank you very much.